Welcome back to the Camp Nou update. The South Goal's third tier is rising, new access points are shaping up, and the first VIP ring is under construction. Step by step, the stadium is transforming and moving closer to its return. At the South Goal, major progress is visible on the new third tier. Brackets, mini trusses, and beams have already reached the corner with the Tribune. This connection point between South Goal and Tribune structures will be a milestone. Nearby, the main South Goal access is taking shape with staircases, fences for the first filter, and retail areas being prepared. At the South Goal lateral corner, work continues on the second phase of the parking structure, one of the most complex zones. The structural core is advanced with pillars, beams, and staircases. From above, panoramic views reveal the hollow core slabs dominating the new third tier, with some sectors concreted. Exterior formwork confirms progress, while another key access from Travessera della Cor is being prepared. The first VIP ring is advancing as walls close in. Pillars between the second and third tiers are prepared with formwork, and the substructure for decorative ceramic slats is underway. The slats are still being manufactured, but will arrive pre-mounted on frames. The second phase of the lateral parking shows spectacular progress compared to earlier this week. Formwork now covers almost the entire South Goal lateral corner, with props and rebar ready for pours. Complexities such as water tanks and ramps are being addressed, and reinforcement beams ensure solid foundations. Soon, the missing diamonds of the lateral sector will begin construction. Further along the lateral side, most areas are covered except the evacuation platform near the North Goal. At the North Goal lateral corner, the diamond remains propped but will be concreted soon. One access point at the North Goal is already equipped with stairs, fences, and entryways, ready for use. The turning point will come when capacity reaches 60,000, surpassing Montjuic and restoring matchday revenue for the club. The Tribune sector shows a large open space, organized with safety barriers. This level will host the Barça Museum on floor 0.5, spanning from North Goal Tribune to South Goal Tribune. Luminous gate signs are being installed, enhancing the stadium's ready-to-open look once finalized. The brackets from South Goal and Tribune sectors are close to connecting, soon completing the third-tier structure, another milestone. Next will be roof support pillars, marking a new phase. Finally, panoramic views from the upper levels showcase the stadium's transformation. With the first VIP ring under construction, crucial for finances, and occupancy licenses pending, Barca's return will soon be reality. First with 45,000 seats, then 60,000. Before closing, a birthday greeting to Professor Julia Bretos. And thank you for watching. Don't forget his comparison video, and please subscribe to support the channel.